Hey guys, so I found these at a local grocery store the other day, and I had to do a taste test video on them. They are limited edition king size blueberry muffin Kit Kats. I love a good Kit Kat, and in one of my taste testing videos, I had a zebra Kit Kat from the UK, which was dark chocolate and milk chocolate mixed all together, and it was delicious. Now, that's also better chocolate, but let's try this American blueberry muffin Kit Kat, shall we? Hopefully you don't hear stuff coming from outside because they're doing like work around my house. So, great time to do a video, but I wanted to get this out there as soon as I can. So, here we go. So, you can see what they look like. I thought there'd be like spots, like blue spots in it, but it's just like a weird bluish brown. Smells straight up like a blueberry muffin though, so let's give it a taste test. Wow, I'm really surprised. I honestly wasn't expecting to like it that much. I love a blueberry muffin. This does kind of taste like a blueberry muffin. I mean, of course, artificial, but it's excellent, honestly. Melting in my fingers, but this is so much better than I thought. It's limited time, so I will say it's not like an overpowering, like artificial blueberry flavor. That's what I was expecting. No, you have your signature Kit Kat crunch and wafers, and a nice subtle hint of blueberry and blueberry muffin. So I definitely recommend this. I probably won't buy it again just because can't shouldn't eat a million things I can't. Who cares? I'll buy it again. So definitely recommend the blueberry muffin Kit Kat. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, why not like and share the video? It'd be much appreciated. It's kind of sticking in my fingers, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.